In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge blocking downloads. If Edge keeps stopping a file you trust, it's usually because its built-in protection, Microsoft Defender Smart Screen, is being cautious. That protection is great for everyday browsing because it helps block malicious sites and unsafe files, but it can occasionally flag something you know is safe. I'll show you how to temporarily relax that setting so you can complete a trusted download, and I'll remind you to turn the protection back on right after. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Make sure you're using the Edge window where you plan to download your file so everything is in one place. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main menu for the browser. From here, choose Settings. If Settings opens in a new tab, that's normal. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Edge keeps most of its safety and tracking controls. Click it and then scroll down until you reach the security area. Take your time here. There are several controls and descriptions, and it helps to read them so you understand what each one does. Under Security, locate Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. This is the feature that checks websites and downloads against Microsoft's reputation data to help block phishing, malware, and other threats. To allow a trusted download that's being blocked, toggle this setting off temporarily. Edge may prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and acknowledge the change. Remember, you're doing this only for a short time, and only if you're confident the file and the website are trustworthy. With Smart Screen off, return to your download page and try the download again. Keep an eye on the download notification in Edge to make sure it completes. If the file still won't download, double-check that the site is the correct source and that your internet connection is stable. For extra peace of mind, plan to scan the file with your antivirus or Windows security once it finishes. As soon as your download is complete, head back to the same security section and turn Microsoft Defender Smart Screen back on using the same toggle. Restoring this protection helps keep you safe from deceptive sites and harmful files during everyday browsing. That's it. You've temporarily adjusted Edge's security to allow a trusted download and then turn protection back on. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.